What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can go and record your mobile screen and without doing any root to your Android phone. So let me show you how we can do that. So at this point of time I'm recording this screen with one software that is named as Mobizine. So that's what watermark you see on the screen, but I'm going to go and show you another application which is going to provide you with no watermark. So let me just go ahead and show you. So for that you have to go to Android Play Store, and that is Play Store. After that just go on search A to Z screen recorder. After that it has been opened, just go on and install it. If you go and pay it, it will be ad free, so I'm using the free version. So all you have to do is just go ahead and open it up. It will open up inside the notification bar. So there you see A to Z screen recorder. Just go on settings. After you go on settings, you will get the encoding, screen resolution. So I have a very nice phone, so that's why it is 1280 by 720p. Frame rate will be till 60 fps. If you have a good phone, go for 60 fps, but 330 fps is quite good enough. You can use screen orientation for landscape or portrait, but as you know that you can go and use it auto as well. Recording audio is also available. You can go and put a logo to that. If you have an application which is going to be show a logo to that, or you have a logo for your website or logo for your YouTube channel, you can go and add it with that. You can also put show touch events. So if I touch on screen, so there you see all of the touch is being shown. So I'm going to keep it off. You can show your face, so it just open up rare camera from this application. You can time record it, count. So it is going to ask for 1 2 3 and it is going to start recording. You can remove ads, and that's all simple stuff. So next you can go and find is you can take a picture of your screen. Of course you can go and record your screen, so it is going to go and record your phone. So there you see, and it is an icon. So if I click on the third icon, which is the middle one, you can go and directly record it. You can go live stream with Facebook, YouTube or Twitch, and that's about it. You can go and edit it as well after you have been recorded. So that's how simple it is. I just gave you two of the software which is going to be helpful for you to record your screen, which is Mobizine and A to Z screen recorder. So that's about it for this video. I hope you find this video informative and useful. Make sure to comment it down below what you think about this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out. See you in the next one.